Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into CrowdStrike's latest 8K filing. But don't worry, it's not as scary as a flock of crows descending on your picnic. This report is about a change in executive pay. Are they getting a raise or a cut? Let's find out. Scrolling states, CrowdStrike's and Exchange come and scroll. This 8K filing is essentially a current report, a snapshot in time. It tells us about significant events that a company needs to disclose to investors. In this case, it's all about executive compensation, specifically the pay package for one of their top executives. Scrollers of report. Date of earliest event reported, Apple April 16, 2025 scrolls. The key date to keep in mind is April 16, 2025. This is when the event being reported, the approval of the compensation package happened. So everything we discuss revolves around that date. Scroll CrowdStrike Holdings Inc. Scroll. To the company we're looking at is CrowdStrike Holdings Inc. They're a cybersecurity company, so they help businesses protect themselves from online threats. Think of them as the digital bodyguards for companies. Scroll item 502, departure of directors or certain officers. Scroll this section, item 502. Is where the juicy details are. It's all about the compensation arrangements for certain officers, specifically Michael Sentonos, who is the president of CrowdStrike. So what's the deal? Well, the compensation committee, a group within the board of directors responsible for setting executive pay, approved Michael Sentonos' compensation package for fiscal year 2026. For CrowdStrike begins February 1, 2025. The important takeaway is that Michael Sentonos will have an annual base salary of $875,000. That's the guaranteed money he gets every year. He will also receive a target incentive compensation award set at 100%. This means he has the potential to earn even more on top of his salary if the company hits certain performance goals. Incentive compensation is extra money given if the company hits its goals. The incentive compensation is tied to the company's corporate incentive plan. The details of this plan are in a previous filing, but essentially it outlines how executives can earn bonuses based on the company's performance. So what does all this mean? Essentially, CrowdStrike is rewarding their president, Michael Sentonos, with a significant compensation package. This likely indicates that they value his contributions to the company and want to incentivize him to continue driving growth. Now let's zoom out and think about this from a broader perspective. CrowdStrike operates in a very competitive cybersecurity market. Executive talent is highly sought after, so companies need to offer attractive compensation packages to retain and attract top leaders. This pay package reflects the importance of Michael Sentonos' role in the company's success. Assessing CrowdStrike, the move to incentivize top leadership seems positive. By tying compensation to company performance, CrowdStrike aligns executive interests with shareholder interests. If the company does well, Sentonos gets rewarded and so do the investors. One risk is that setting very aggressive performance targets could incentivize executives to take risky bets that could negatively impact the company long term. However, without seeing the specific targets, it's hard to assess that. Overall, this filing indicates that CrowdStrike is investing in its leadership team. It signals confidence in the company's future and a commitment to rewarding performance. It's a pretty standard move for a company of this size, but it does show that they're willing to pay top dollar to keep their key executives happy and motivated. Thanks for watching. If you found this corporate decoder breakdown helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the world of corporate filings.